Hey, I'm Lakeisha. Welcome to Life's Amazing, my lifestyle and home decor blog, where I share tips and resources on creating positive mindsets, self-care, as well as creating a home that you love and deserve. I chat about organizing small spaces, and I also show tons of DIY projects that you can create on a budget so that you can have the decor that you want at a price that you would also like as well. How did I get started? Well, years ago I realized that although I looked pretty normal on the outside, there was really a battle raging in my mind every day, and that caused me to live a life full of fear. I was too afraid to be vulnerable, too afraid to put myself out there. And when my father died a few years ago, that really shook me, and it made me really reflect about how life is short. We don't have a lot of time, and here I was wasting time, waiting for the perfect set of circumstances to pursue the things I really wanted. And I realized that there's so many of us out there who are just waiting on the perfect circumstance, waiting on the right home, waiting on the right space. But I want to show you, starting today, how you can really maximize your present. So whether it's enjoying big moments in life like traveling to a new place, or seemingly small moments like drinking a cup of coffee, or in my case chai latte, or smelling a flower, I want us to all enjoy life and also create a home we love for an affordable price. And I'm here to show you exactly how to do that. So join me on this journey and let's create a life and home that we love and deserve. Sign up today. I look forward to welcoming you to the Life's Amazing family.